It's your boy Dreddy, carpet cleaning with Dreddy. You don't know. Hey guys, thanks for coming back, man. Right now we're about to do some tile cleaning. This is, a nice little apartment over here in Leesburg. Definitely needs some work. So we're about to spray it down, focus on the trouble areas and make it look good. Alright? Guys, thanks for rocking with me. If this is your first time, subscribe, like, share, help me grow the channel. And guys, just watch and learn and take in what you gotta take in. And, in the islands we say, take sense from common sense. Head make book. Alright? Not book make head. So everything that was in the book came from a man's head. Basically, be smart. Okay? And use your wits. So as you can see, the tile, it has a lot of markings for kids. So we're about to lay it down and try to bring it back to life.